Hello everyone, the Disney Price here. Welcome back to a brand new room tour. Today we are in the Disneyland Hotel DVC Villas. So it's very nice here. Brand new, only opened like last year or the year before. So very new. Today we are in room 707. I did book a duo studio, which is like one of the small rooms with like just a single pull down bed. But the very nice cast member at the front desk managed to make a magical moment for me, and I have been upgraded to a Deluxe Studio. So I'm going to do a little show around the little Deluxe Studio. So walking in. And personally, I think this room is absolutely huge. Compared to all the other Deluxe Studios, I just think it's huge. So obviously you've got your standard double bed here, and then you have your pull down bed too, and then over here you have your kitchenette with a sink, and then how do you open this? Of course, it's just very tight. You have glassware, chinaware. You also have some plastic utensils in there too, with some mugs, plates, bowls. So it's a nice change to the disposable cutlery that you get in Walt Disney World and the DVC properties over there. And then you have like an ice box there and a toaster. And then you have your sink. And under your sink, you have some kitchen roll and some utensils for the washing up. Perfect. And then you also have your standard Keurig machine with some Joffrey's coffee, Twining's English breakfast tea, and as well as some Joffrey's decaf. And then all of your sugars, your stirrers and everything like that are going to be in your Disneyland Hotel condiment kits. Perfect. Now moving on into the corner, you have two robes with the Disneyland Hotel written on it. These are available for purchase down at the hotel gift shop, but they did only have like really select sizes available. And then in here, you have your safe, your extra blankets and pillows at the top there, and then you have an ironing board with your iron in there too. And then under the TV, you have some drawers to store all of your clothes in and your personal belongings in. And then moving along, you've got some nice two stools next to the counter. And then it also comes with two outlet sockets, as well as a USB-B, the standard USB, and then also USB-C. Which is very nice in the changing world where more things are having USB-C. And then my room also came with just a little note to say that they're going to be doing some window cleaning. Came with this really nice, I think it's Steamboat Willie. I think, not sure, but nice little picture, little print picture there, and with like the Disneyland Hotel and Disneyland in the background. This is really nice. You've got like a little notepad with the Hotels of the Disneyland Resort and a really nice pen too. Then you've got your standard phone, and then you have your menu too for all of your room service options for breakfast and dinner. And then here you've got like a nice little couch area, probably come in useful if you ever have the Murphy bed down, because you'll obviously lose access to that couch there. And then above that little couch, you've just got some nice little drawings. Perfect. And then the view out of my room, I have a resort view. So not a theme park view, unfortunately, but still not complaining with this view of, you've obviously got the Disneyland villas, the Discovery Tower there, and then down you've got a view of the pool. And yeah, and then the rest of Anaheim. Perfect. And then next to the bed, the backboard of the bed lights up, which is really nice. And then next to the bed, you also have a couple of little mini drawers, as well as an outlet socket and the 2 USB ports too. And then moving back to the front of the room, you have your full-length body mirror. So very, very nice. And then moving into the bathroom, you have a single vanity sink, as well as some hand towels, extra toilet roll down there. You also have 2 outlet sockets, nice little mirror, some nice little Disney touches there, as well as a makeup mirror too. And then you also have your walk-in shower. Is this walk-in shower? Yeah, yes, walk-in shower. With the rainfall shower, as well as sort of the standard shower head too. And then you also have your now not Disney H2O, but Disneyland Hotel branded body wash, conditioner and shampoo. It's very nice, very nice. It's a very big shower. And then separated by a separate door, in here you have the toilet with really nice little picture of, I think it's a Sleeping Beauty. I don't know my Disney films. But yeah, very nice. You also have over here your bath soap, and then also some body lotion, which comes in a bottle already. So that really concludes our room tour of the Deluxe Studio here at the Disneyland Hotel. Like I said, it was like a very nice surprise to come in and find out that I've been upgraded to this Deluxe Studio. A very nice little change from the Duo Studio, although the Duo Studio I still wouldn't have been complaining. I'm sure it would have been very nice. But this mirror over here, I've just noticed, does it light up? Yes, it does. So this nice little mirror if someone's in the bathroom or over there. There's plenty of space. Honestly, this room is absolutely huge. So thank you all for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell. Hoping to bring more room tour videos to you soon. But here from the Disneyland Hotel, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.